Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply a partial frontal unit to one of my clients. We're trying to go heat free and do a lot of protective styling. So I made this unit for her and I'm using 3 bundles of virgin Peruvian loose wave hair. I will say that the hair lost a lot of its wave due to bleaching. I had to bleach it like 3 times to bring it up high enough to apply the color. So I used Pulp Riot and I think it's called Nightfall. And because it was lifted at different levels, that's why you see the different blues. But I love the contrast, and I'm just gonna go in and apply some wand curls to this style, but I'm gonna eventually pull them out so she'll have more of a voluminous look. I'll just let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. It's just pretty much me wand curling the hair, and I'll be back towards the end to talk to you guys for a little bit longer. Okay, so everything up until this point has been self-explanatory. I'm just going to go in with some alcohol and clean her forehead. We already washed her hair, so it's clean, but I just want to make sure that there's no oil that has built up. And then I'm going to go in and cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible. Now, this frontal came customized already, so I didn't actually do any plucking to it because sometimes on the units, wearing them, pulling them on and off, styling them, you can thin out the hairline quickly. So I'm just going to leave it, and we're going to try to style around that without doing any extra tweezing or plucking. So I'm going to be using Got to Be Glued. If you want more in detail about Got to Be Glued, you can literally Google it and videos will pull up. But I'm going to do 2 layers. I also have the freeze spray, so I do that in between. I'm moving so fast on here so you can't see it, but that's what I did. I applied 1 layer, blow dried it, applied a thin layer of the freeze spray and then applied one more layer of the Got to Be Glued. I used the black bottle. And then before this gets dry, that's the second layer, I'm going to go ahead and start to tack it down. Now, you will have to stay tuned because the video is getting a little long for the second video so that I can show you guys how I customize the edges and how everything looks at the end. So make sure you subscribe and come back and watch part 2, and thanks again for watching.